How to share Google Drive files with everyone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch any web browser. Navigate to search bar and type in Google Drive. Search for this website and from this result page you can easily open a particular link which is the first link. So let's go across that and you can easily sign into it. After you sign in, you can easily get access to your drive. After that, if you wish to upload any kind of file or folder, you can easily go to the new button at top left corner of your screen, select new folder and then upload it in here. Or you can directly upload file or folder. Afterwards, you need to simply select a particular file which you want to share with everyone. Suppose if this is the file that I want to share with everyone, you simply need to click on three dots, click on share button, and here first you need to click on share. Then you need to simply go to general access and then change this access to anyone with the link instead of restricted. You can even select the viewer and then change the role. You can set it to viewer, commenter or editor. Once done, you can easily click on copy link and then link has been already copied. Afterwards, you can easily access any kind of email, messenger on any platform and then share this link. Anyone with the link will be able to access the file. So that's how you can share Google Drive files with everyone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.